Hey guys, welcome back to Campbell Workshop. Today we're going to make some dusty miller to go with your paper flowers. And we are going to show you how to dye your paper with ink. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for our weekly tutorials. If you like what we are doing, you can also join our not so secretive community on Patreon. Link in description. First of all, we need some loose papers in beige or white. Trim the paper into shorter segments. Try not to exceed 15 cm long, because the paper will expand during the dyeing process. Get a few plastic hangers. Take out a tray. Fill it with a bit of warm water. Put your paper into the water. Top up with some hot water. Let them soak for a short while. Take the paper out and squeeze the excessive water out. Set the paper aside. Now we take out another tray for dyeing. Simply add some drawing ink and a small amount of hot water. I'm only using blue and green to mix into my dusty miller color. Shake the components together. Use a pair of gloves to avoid staining your skin. Tuck your paper into the bath. Flip the paper so the ink can reach the whole piece of paper. Squeeze the excessive ink gently. Hang it on a hanger to dry. I just simply hang them in my kitchen. It would take about 2 to 3 hours to let them dry completely. Take out some PVA glue and paint half of the paper. After dyeing, the paper is not as thick and stiff as normal, so we are going to double the paper to get a better thickness. Fold the paper into half. Press the paper down to get rid of the air bubbles. Let it dry. It will look like this. Each batch might look slightly different. If you really want to be very precise, use droppers or syringe to measure the amount of ink you are putting in. Now we can make our dusty miller leaves. Fold the paper to the width of the template. Cut the paper into half and diagonally. If you want to understand the whole paper leaf concept, you can check our paper leaves tutorial for full detail. Take some 22 gauge wires. You can choose to have longer stem or not. Add some UHU glue to the middle line of the paper. Place the wire on top of the glue. And place second half of the triangle on the top, so the wire is embedded in the middle. Place the template on top. Make sure the middle line is lining up with the wire. Hold everything together with the paper clip. Cut according to the template. Because dusty miller has a layer of white on top of the leaves, we're going to add some white acrylic on top of your leaf to mimic that. Instead of painting a layer on top, we are going to dab the paint on top so the layer is not so even. Let the paper to dry and do the same on the other side. They will look like this. Left is painted and right is not. Trim the bottom stem into a thinner stem so they look more elegant. Trim the leftover paper into strips and we can start wrapping the wires down. I only wrap the one that the wires are very exposed. Next, we can wrap the branch together, starting from the smallest leaf. Add the leaves one by one. This branch is perfect for individual display. If you are looking to decorate your home with some green in a vase, this structure is perfect for that. But if you want to make into bouquets, you will need more single stems. Take out one of each size. Rewrap the smallest leaf onto the biggest leaf. You will need to make your leaves in a bundle of 2 to 3. I've also added extra piece of wire to even out the thickness of the stem. And we are done. I've grabbed a few flower heads on my table and put the leaves together. They go very well together. You will need a bit more of flowers and leaves to make into your bouquet. It works with our sunflower too. Thank you for watching the video and I hope you will like it. If you like it, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel. It will really help our channel to grow. Stay tuned for our weekly tutorials. And all our DIY kits, templates are available on our website. Check them out. See you guys next week.